This is a short video on how to maintain your Baumer hhs CorrBox Glue system. First step, as always, is make sure you're safe. On this Baumer 618, we're going to remove the safety key to ensure the machine cannot run while we're inside. Going in, our first step will be to put the head into a manual override by pressing the bottom left button with a hand on it, and then we'll place the head into work position manually. We have some debris to clean off, and after a cleaning, the system is fresh and ready to go. We're going to take a little bit of oil and wipe it on this splash pan so that it makes cleaning easier next time. A quick check to make sure everything is working smoothly from the bath position to the work position. Now the glue tips are cleaned, and we'll move to the bath below. This is still in work position. This bath is held by a toolless, spring-loaded keeper. You can simply use one finger to pull down the keeper and slide the bath out. Top off the bath using food-grade vegetable oil and slide it back into position. Simply engage the slots, get the bath started, use one finger again to pull down the keeper, and simply push the bath into place. Check to make sure it's locked. Now we're ready to clean the PGD glue verification sensor. Again, this is held with a toolless spring-loaded pin. Very easy to take out with no tools. Slide it out of the slot. We want to clean the lens. An easy way to maintain this is to put a piece of clear packaging tape over the lens, wrap it around the side. You can peel it off, put a new one on. It takes just a few seconds. Reinstallation is simply engaging the slot and putting it back into the original position. Into position, lift your pin, and put it into it locks. Done. Now that our maintenance is done on the glue head, we'll touch the lower left button with a hand and turn the light out. This puts the system back in automatic mode, where the machine will command the glue head to go to the work or bath position. When you are done, there should be no light on the lower left corner. Our final item is the glue piston pump. This is a once-a-week procedure. This pump will run for many years of reliable service. One of the most important features is to make sure there's oil in the cavity. This is easy to check and should never be under pressure, even when the machine is running. At the top of this is a vent hole. There should be no air blowing out of this vent. If there is, it indicates there's an impending seal problem. The oil to use in this system is a food-grade biolube, part number 161000001, available from Baumer hhs. It is a thin, light-colored oil. Do not use petroleum oils in the pump. It will shorten the life. Simply remove the cap, top off the reservoir until it will take no more, and replace your cap. Do this at the same time that you service your glue filter, which is here. These steps will maintain the best performance in your Baumer hhs glue system. You've already bought it, now own it.